So welcome to API Publisher Stats. API reports can be activated by using call URLs containing two parameters specific for each account in Zeropark. So as you can see, it'll be shown as API_token and domainer_ID. So the Zeropark team will provide you with your unique values for the parameters. And then next you have your other parameters. For example, the feed ID or the date, and the date range will reflect the default time zone set in your contact information in your Zeropark account. Next you have your metrics, and although reports might differ in terms of quality data, quantitative statistics will be expressed in the following metrics, and their interpretation might differ depending on the traffic type. So as you can see, it's separated based on the traffic. So you have redirect and push, and then it goes on the impressions, payout, and validated visits, pretty much the metrics and how they're measured. Next, you have shared redirect and push reports that are going to be separated by feed or feed by country. You also can review redirect reports by domain, by country, feed by domain and country, and feed by publisher ID. And then lastly, you have push reports where you can review data by country, feed by domain, and feed by domain in the country.